Hey dolls, welcome back to DivaDollFlawless. In today's video, I will be sharing swatches of our French AcryDip collection. All of these colors you can use either with the dip powder method, or if you wanted to, you could use any EMA monomer of your choice. The first shade that I have for you is called Super Pink. The next shade is Extreme Pink. Here we have Natural, and this shade is called Snow. Now, I've posted a couple tutorials on how to do the dip powder method using our DDF Nails Base Gel, the Clear Builder Polish, as well as our No Wipe top coats, either the No Wipe Radiant Shine or the No Wipe Velvet Matte. I do also have a ombre tutorial where you can use Snow from this collection, or feel free to use any of our nudes in our nude collection. All of these products can be found on my website, www.DivaDollFlawless.com, and be sure to follow us on Instagram if you don't. And if you have any other questions, please feel free to post them below. And as always, and until next time, have a gorgeous day, dolls. Smooches. Mwah. Bye.